Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make chickpeas with chicken. Really simple and it's delicious. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Zainab and you are welcome. Just click that red button down below and join this family. So let's get started. Okay, here is my chickpeas already soaked. This one is not soaked. As you can see, it's really hard. So you have to make sure you soak your chickpeas overnight so that it can be easy for you when you cook. It won't take long. Look at that. You can even break with your fingers. Okay, so make sure you soak your chickpeas before boiling it. Okay, so now I have my pressure cooker over here. I'm gonna boil it until it's soft. If you don't have pressure cooker, that's fine. You can use any pot that you have in your kitchen, but with the pressure cooker it will be easy for you to boil it. It won't take long. Okay, so now I'm gonna boil it. I will be back. Okay, the chickpeas is nice and soft. Now I'm gonna just strain it and set aside for later. Now bring a pot to the flame and add some oil. In the oil, add 2 medium chopped onion. Okay, now we have to fry this onion for 5 minutes or until it starts getting brown. As you can see, the onion is not completely brown. I'm gonna add my ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna fry together until it's completely brown. Okay, now that onion and ginger garlic paste is nicely brown, I'm gonna add my chicken. The chicken is about 200 grams. Mix everything together and fry for about 2 minutes. Once you have fried your chicken for 2 minutes, you're gonna add 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of channa masala. This is a chickpeas masala. You can add curry powder if you don't have chickpeas masala. Now I'm gonna add turmeric powder, about half teaspoon, some salt. Be careful with salt because when we boil our chickpeas we add salt as well. Chili powder and green chili. Now we're gonna mix everything together and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add some water and cover the pot. We're gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes. The water is completely finished. Now I'm gonna add my chickpeas. I'm gonna combine the chicken and the chickpeas very well and add 2 glasses water. I'm gonna give a good stir and cover the pot and let it boil in high flame for 5 minutes. The smell is so amazing at this point, guys, but I still have to add my fresh coriander. I'm gonna slow the flame and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Okay, now our chickpeas chicken is done. Look how beautiful is that, guys. If you want to try out, you see how easy is that. You can try out and let me know in the comment section how did it come out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done, share this video with the family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.